Hi, my name is Azriel. So today I want to talk about better streaming with OBS, especially for your gaming session. In this demo, I will use OBS as my primary live encoder, and we will publish into YouTube and also Facebook. The first thing first, you need to understand this is a preview window. Whatever you see when you capturing things like game, and this is program window is for when the users see you stream. This is what they see. This is for audio mixers. As you can see, when I talking, the microphone meter is going up and down, not clipping. And this is scene tab, so you can have multiple scene like opening scene, gaming scene, talk to your friend scene. This is your sources. So first thing first, I want to capture my gaming windows, which is here. I'm using iRacing as a demo. I'm running at the game itself. I run in Windows position, Windows mode. So you can click option, click graphics. I'm running at the 920 x 1080 or 1080p resolution at no limit. Means the FPS is something like 60 frames per second, which is I mean this is for just game. For streaming, you will need the maximum is 60. So you want to capture this window, just right click add and choose game capture. I will say it iRacing, click OK. So mode capture specific windows, so I will choose iRacing simulator. We come out, yeah. And also untick this capture cursor, you need to untick this, and also limit capture frame rate. So OBS only capture at 60 frames per second maximum. So click OK. So as you can see, you can scale it down, up and down, and you can. This is the sources window, whether you can turn on, off, lock. When you turn it lock, you can adjust the window size. So as you can see, there's some black area on the bottom and the top. So you want to, either you can fill it by using scaling, or you can trim it like this. You right click, click filter, add crop and pad. So I want to, as you can see here, so I can crop on the left something like 30, on the right like 30 pixel. So you can maximize this thing properly. Yes, no. Put it 50. Below also 50. So the window now properly filling up the canvas. Okay, I forgot to tell you about the canvas. Canvas is in this output video. The canvas that I set is 1920 x 1080. So the output scale is also the same, 1920 x 1080 or 1080p, and I record it, I stream it at 30 frames per second. This one you can change 30, 25, 48, 60, but depends on your PC performance. So in this, right now I'm recording, the CPU usage is quite high. It's fluctuate between 6% and 7% at 30 frames per second. So you have to pay attention into here, and also you can also see the CPU usage here, this space available, drop frame, everything. My stream is inactive right now, so while streaming you don't want to see drop frame, the value way too much. So now the subject is to prepare your stream with webcam. Right now you lock this thing. As you can see, this is feed 1000 millisecond or 1 second. Now you cannot see the window that I'm using. This is how the user will see when you stream. Let's get back to the Windows. So the next, I want to put some black bar on the bottom. So I will add color source, say lower third, lower black bar. So I will choose black. So put it here. So I can, width is 1920. So it will fill the width. Height I will reduce to 100. So this is the black bar. So I put anything here. So I lock the lower black bar. So I want to add some font, a title. Lower title. Say iRacing session. So we can choose the font here. Say I use Impact. Drag the font down here. See, you can see my title is there. So lock this thing. So I can group the lower area by doing this. I click and choose lower title and lower black bar. Group selected item. Give the name lower third or lower bar. So I can minimize the thing, I can lock it, or I can hide the whole thing. So everything under here is belongs to lower bar group. So if you want to put some logo over on the left, I can put add image, say logo, choose the logo that you want, pictures. I try to find some suitable pictures. Here. Okay, so I want to put Mazda. Drag it down here and resize. This is how you add picture in OBS, and load it and drag into lower bar group, so you can hide it, lock and hide everything. So it's quite easier to manage. Next, I want to put a webcam. So I'm using my phone as a webcam. So I will grab another window. The application that I use is Droid Cam. will see my face in short moment. So I will run a software called webcam client. So my Android phone IP is 192.168.50.59 at port 4747. I can grab the audio from my phone too, but I don't want, so just grab the video and click start. Okay. Orientation is wrong, so just rotate my phone. Okay, you can see me. Don't have any phone stand over here. Try this one. So I want to put my overcast. Overcast. Okay. Very sorry about this. Okay, I want to put this camera from my phone into the stream. So what I do is pop up this little window we call webcam video. So in OBS, create a window capture. I call it webcam or webcam. Click OK. So I will choose the window is webcam window, webcam video. Okay, there. So you can see me, but I want to place it properly. So I want to crop the window. So I will create filter and crop. Should I do some color correction? No. So I will crop the left. I'm just using my mouse to move it. Okay, so I will crop something like here. Right here. So the scale will be like 9x16 pixel video ratio. So it doesn't use too much space on my primary gaming. So you can put it here. So how does it look? Okay, something like this. But what if I want to enhance it, like putting some black bar? So right cam, right click, group selected item. I should say PIP, picture in picture. So I want to add background. Oh, I will lock this camera first, the webcam first. So right click, add color source. I will say this thing as webcam border. So I will choose black, drag it down here. So how I put it on the layer before. So as you can see, the height is not enough. So I right click, click properties. So I put some height. Okay. Width is too much, so I just reduce the width. Okay. Some micro management and micro adjustment. So lock this thing. Okay. So my webcam is gone. So just there. So how does it look? Have a look. So quite cool right now, right? Let's go back. Now you want to put some scrolling text. Please subscribe. your video or something on the top here probably. So I want to this is how I do it. Add color source, subscribe bar. So I choose black color. I put it around 640 width, height around 100. Okay, so put it here. Okay, to contrast. I want to put some to lower the intensity. So I will right click filters, add color correction. So I will opacity. I will reduce the opacity to 60. You can see the opacity is reduced. So I want to put some scrolling text on top of this. So text, subscribe, text. Subscribe, youtube.com/yes. Okay, font will be impact. I prefer impact. I always love impact, the largest that you can choose. Nice. So this is quite challenging, so I will try to how I do it. So I will put a filter, is scrolling filter. Limit width is 640. No, 600. Okay. Now vertical speed is around. No, this is going up and down. I don't want that. Okay, slowly like that. Too slow. Okay, click filter, put some speed like 30, 40. Okay, but the text is chain to each other, so I just put some space. Okay, so just press your space bar and have a look on this window. Okay. Not enough, put some space bar. Okay, and see how it look. Say you want the color to be same as this green, so you click properties, select font, change color actually, pick screen color. Now lock the font. There you go. Okay, let's group this thing. Group selected item. Top left. Okay, good. So this is how you do it, and in OBS to have some presentable stream. So you can, after you have done with the changes, you can lock this thing and voila, done. So that's all, folks. This is how it looks on the final version. Now you have a very clean looking streaming interface. Next, I want to talk about bitrate. This is really affecting your viewers. First thing first, if your PC is capable of capturing at 1080p, then leave it as it is. If you can't, make it canvas 1080p but stream at 720p down here. And for the FPS, it depends. If your PC can't keep up with 60 frames per second, 48 is good enough. Just for Facebook, 30 is good enough for your personal wall, or for pages you can put it at 48. And don't forget to general process priority, put it above normal or high. And for the output, make sure in advanced. I actually make sure the encoder is using GPU, NVIDIA, and the encoder H.264. And rate control, I actually use VBR, variable bitrate, as low as 2000 to 2500 kbps, or as high as 5 meg kbps. The keyframe I set to auto. Preset, it depends on your PC. I prefer it on quality. So for recording, actually you can for the recording bitrate. Actually I just set it too low. I should put it 40,000. Okay, I think that's all. So click apply, and that's it. And maybe you can the setting will be saved automatically. So that's it, I think. So thank you for watching. This is how you find a loop. Please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs. Stop recording.